Hey YouTube, this is Traveling on a Dime, and we're about to leave the Airbnb tomorrow, so I'm going to do a quick exit tour. So anyway, this is the laundry room. It's really big. I would really love it. I remodeled it if I had it. This is the kitchen. This is nighttime, so sorry guys, but it looks really, really nice. It's a really big kitchen. This is the fridge, a really cool ice maker. And this is it. I don't know how to do it. Look at y'all.
It won't come out.
Okay, continuing where I left off. Here go the living room. They have a beautiful living room, and I think that's a 65, 70-inch TV. It's nice, the chest, and my husband, he worked really hard this vacation. It was cool. The light. And there's another room in here that they locked off. I think it's like the dining room or something like that. And then here goes a little artwork and this and the bathroom. As you can see, the baby's doing a tour with me. And go to the tub. The water, like I said before, it's like silk. It was amazing. And go to the bathroom. It's really farm, like we really got the true farmhouse experience. And here go me. Hi. Okay. Now, this is the beautiful staircase. I freaking love this staircase. Look at this. Isn't that cool? That has a picture, I'll tell you. Okay. And here go the entryway, actually. But they have it locked for some reason. I don't know. But this is bedroom number 1. This is the baby's room that he played in. He didn't stay in it, but he played in it. They supplied us with abundance of toys. It was amazing. Look at all those toys. Look at all those toys. The baby loved it. Look at that. The baby loved it. It was cool. Amazing. Look, this is the cutest little girl's room. The cutest little girl's room. And here go the stairwell. Excuse me, I fell on this trip, so let me go upstairs. Look at the floors. Excuse me. The floors are amazing. Look at the floors. Bathroom number 2. Yes, that is bathroom number 2. It's a nice shower. And they have this in the back of the door. So back to the floors. And the little pretty decor. The floors are amazing. Bedroom number 2. They made their own headboard, which is freaking cool. This is the room me, Henry, and the baby stayed in. So it's awesome. I think it's cool. I liked it. We liked it. It was comfortable. And bedroom number 3. Bedroom number 3. This is where Jaden stayed at, and he also stayed downstairs the first couple nights. This is bedroom number 3. And this is Jaden. It's time to go to bed. You better go to bed because he's getting up at 6:30 tomorrow so we can catch this bus. But this is a cool little room. Yeah. Alright. Nah, okay. And here goes bedroom number 4. Move!
I'm not even putting the door.
So why can't I open it?
It's the door.
Oh my god. Tell your ghost, like, really? It's how you turn light. But anyway, this is bedroom number 4. This is how it looks. Anyway, this is the...
You do not want to go up there.
That is not the attic. That is a toy space.
I'm going up there.
No, you're not.
Or storage. The attic is over here. That's the attic. The attic is over here. Oh, it's gonna be 95. Hey YouTube, we're leaving. This is the farm. We'll be back next month. But this is what we're doing. We're leaving now. The Uber's here. Henry's packing. Trying to pack it up. We'll see what happens. Yes. Hey YouTube, we're leaving. Hey Acres Farm. So this is what we're doing. We're leaving now. We're going to Virginia Beach station, bus station, so we can go to Washington. And then at like 4 o'clock we'll leave. Well, we'll get in Washington, then we'll leave about 6. And we'll get to New York at 10 o'clock tonight. So it's going to be a long ride. Are you ready for this long ride? Because this is going to be a long ride. Bye, Kate Acres.